Nathaniel, tell us about what your project was. What were you doing?
I was donating Play-Doh to Weave. It's a place that helps women in dangerous places at their homes, and they also help men and children. And I'm giving Play-Doh for them to express their feelings, and I have about 800 and more.
Wait, you got how many?
888 probably.
Wow, and what was your original goal?
100.
Your original goal was 100 and you got 884. Nathaniel, that's awesome. Now, what did you do to get so many?
I talked to my karate class, and I also talked to all of my kindergarten classes.
Now, if any other Tiny Tiger is having trouble with their project, like they can't figure out what to do or how to get as many things as you did, do you have any advice you could give to them? Like to
Yes. First, if they'd like, they could talk to all of their kindergarten classes, or first grade, or even the principal's office, or they could